In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix mouse cursor disappears when playing games in full screen mode. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and simply type mouse settings. Click on mouse settings under the best match. And then what we have to do is we have to scroll down and click on additional mouse settings. Now in this window, simply click pointer options. Make sure that display pointer trails. This is not selected. Click on apply, click on OK. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this video tutorial so that we can produce more videos, especially useful tutorials for you. So for the next method is we have to click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Then click on System, click on Display. Make sure you are choosing the recommended scale. Okay, make sure you are choosing the recommended scale and click on that. Then look at the game that you are playing and then you have to make a right click, select Properties. And then click on the Compatibility tab. Check this option, run this program in compatibility mode 4 and choose Windows 7 or Windows 8. Apply and then OK. For the final method, go to the Windows search bar and type msconfig. Click on System Configuration under the best match. Click on the Services tab. Now check this option, hide all Microsoft services. Click on Disable all, apply, and then OK. And click the Restart button that will appear in this desktop window. So that's it. Again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.